So it's Sunday morning, we're at the convention center. Now comes the realization, Mustang Week 2018 has come to an end. Now all we have is the memories and the plan of going for next year. The parking lot is empty, we're ready to load up our cars to head home. Before we do so though, we have to thank everybody who helped out, all the customers that came up and talked to us, people who thanked us for our videos, thanked us for being here, and then all the vendors and stuff that supported us for our raffle. Again, we had a great year this year. We can't wait till Mustang Week 2019.